Welcome guys to SKY-CAD Technology. On this tutorial, we're guiding you guys on how to model this 3D block. So let's get started. Let's work with the right plane. Let's make it horizontal. 130. From here to this point, 70. So 76 divided by 2. Or let's mirror this. Mirror about construction line. Six. So let's extrude. Extrude of 76. Just click on sketch 1, extrude, select on this contour, extrude of 15. So let's sketch on this face. Diameter of 30. Diameter of 20. Distance here to here, 30. Distance here to this edge, 35. So let's mirror this. Select on this circle, mirror about. I click on my construction line. So I have this. Go to features, extruded cut through all both. So we're having this cut. Now I click on sketch 1, extrude. I want to select on this contour. Let me click on up to surface and select on this surface. So I'm having this, and let me change the appearance. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.